Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joya, Chief Shorthand Trainer, Shaheen Shorthand System, English Shorthand Dictation Basic Level, Shaheen Test 1 of Unit 13, Dictation Speed 60 words per minute, Shorthand and Longhand Total Time 42 minutes. Ready, start. We are having an open evening on Wednesday next, and two open days in June when we hope you and your journal manager may be at liberty to attend our factory tour and short lecture full stop. However, we are now happy to announce the opening of our new factory on the northern industrial estate full stop. Both students are looking forward to their office experience, and I am asking them to send you copies of the course details with their own current course grades full stop. We would ask you to study this carefully and to fill in the attached form, which gives you scope to express your views as to what business managers are seeking. We have had a word with our marketing manager following your inquiry, and the quite accepts that under our manufacturer's guarantee goods can be sent back without charge if they have failed at some time to do the job specified full stop. You will shortly be receiving more correspondence from us, together with our brochure showing full details of our services and our new factory full stop. Dear Mr. Sajid, because of increased demand for our machine parts from all over the country in the last 3 years, our former factory and staff had experienced overloading and stress full stop. They are also studying German full stop. In some cases the idea is to shed the excess stones and reduce the waste size as fast as you can, but for those already in shape, the aim is just to test the body as far as possible by honest exercising full stop. I shall be happy to hear your views on the new homes in Jail Road full stop. Each house has garage space for 2 cars and also a large lounge, but we have had them on our books for sale for some time now, full stop. Measurements, of course, need to be absolutely accurate and, if you are not sure about these and require assistance, our salesman can help you, full stop. I understand that you will not be in the office until Monday next, and so I cannot discuss this with you in person, full stop. If required, they can produce typewritten scripts, full stop. A new service we can offer is free estimates for customer made machine parts from your own design patterns, full stop. I did phone you today but found you out of your office and I am not in tomorrow, full stop. The students are following a course in shorthand, audio, background to business, office management and word processing, full stop. We can not only make routine machine parts there, but we also have a repair and servicing bay. Stop writing, please.